10th class student exercise 6.3 triangles. First question number first part. Two triangle are given an angle. That is figure ABC and triangle PQR. Age 60, B is equal to 80 degree or C is equal to 40 degree, and P is equal to 60, Q is equal to 80 or R is equal to 40 degree. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, angle A is equal to angle P is equal to 60 degree. Angle B is equal to angle Q is equal to 80 degree, and angle C is equal to angle R degree is equal to 40 degree. तो triangle ABC similar triangle PQR, condition is triple A, angle. तो both triangle ABC and PQ are similar. First part is complete. Second part is ABC AB2 AC3 or BC 2.5. Second bracket, second triangle PR or S. PQR first triangle or second triangle. QR is equal to 4, then PR is equal to 5 or PQ is equal to 6. Second part, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR. At first, AB upon QR equal, side are given. We look this side is same ratio or not. तो AB upon QR, BC upon PR equal AC upon PQ. रेसिप्रोकल भी लिखा जा सकता है, पुटिंग द वैल्यू ए बी इज इक्वल टू 2, क्यू आर इज इक्वल टू 4 इज इक्वल टू बी सी 2.5 अपॉन 5 इज इक्वल टू 3/6. Remove the point, simplify 1/2, 15 1 जा 15, 15 2 जा 50, 1/2 is equal to 3 1 जा 3, 3 2 जा 6, 1/2. All equal. तो ट्रायंगल ABC, सिमिलर ट्रायंगल QRP. by triple S. Y side are same ratio. तो सेकंड पार्ट इज कंप्लीट. थर्ड पार्ट इज ट्रायंगल LMP. LMP and triangle DEF. MP is equal to 2, LP upon LP3 और ML 2/7 and D is equal to 4, EF is equal to 5, then DF 6. Third part is in triangle LMP and triangle DEF. LM upon EF is equal to MP upon D equal LP upon DF. Putting the value in question 2.7/5 is equal to MP 2/4 is equal to 3/6. Remove the point. 27 और 50 not divisible any common factor. तो 27/1/2. तो 3 1 जा 3, 3 2 जा 6, 1/2. तो all not equal. तो शो ट्रायंगल LMP and triangle DEF are not similar triangle. ये both triangle not similar. Why same ratio should be each corresponding side. Question number first, fourth part is triangle ML, MNL, MN और L. MN is equal to 2.5 और ML is equal to 5 और angle M is 70. Second angle triangle PQR. PQ is equal to 6 और QR is equal to 10 और angle Q is equal to 70. तो fourth part in triangle MNL and triangle PQR. Angle M is equal to angle Q is equal to 70 degree. MN upon PQ is equal to ML upon QR. Putting the value 2.5 upon 6 is equal to 5 upon 10. Remove the point. 5 5 या 25, 5 1 जा 5, 5 2 या 12, 5 upon 12 not equal 1 upon 2. तो show triangle MNL one angle और corresponding side या adjacent side make the angle are same, should be same ratio. तो MNL and triangle PQR are not similar. Similar triangle. Fourth part is complete. Fifth part is ABC triangle ABC and triangle DEF. A is equal to 80, AB is equal to 2.5 और ABC is equal to 3. Then F is equal to 80 degree, EF 6 degree और DF is equal to 5. तो इन ट्रायंगल ABC and triangle DEF, angle A is equal to angle F. तो AB अपॉन DF इक्वल AC upon EF. AB value is 2.5, DF is equal to 5 is equal to AC, R not given, so EF is equal to 6. Remove the point 1/2, 1/2 not equal to AC upon 6. Why AC measure is not given the question? So show side AC must be equal to 3. So triangle ABC and triangle DF are not similar triangle. Sixth part is given the angle of the triangle DEF and triangle PQR. Value are given. D is equal to 70 or E is equal to 80. Q is equal to 80 or R is equal to 30. In triangle DEF and triangle PQR, angle E is equal to angle Q or angle F is equal to 180 minus 80 minus 70 is equal to 30 degree, और P angle is equal to 180 minus angle F is equal to, we find the 30 और angle R, तो show angle F is equal to angle R is equal to 30 degree. तो triangle DEF similar triangle EF QR by angle. Question number 1 is complete. Question number 2 is given the question, figure in given, दो parallel line, this parallel line is these parallel lines DC and AC. AC and BD intersect at O. Angle BOC 125 और angle D is equal to 70 degree. Question number 2. At first the given two parallel line DC, DB and AC is transversal. Note a parallel line, both triangle ODC, similar triangle OBC are given an angle BOC is equal to 125 or angle CDO is equal to 70 degree. To find is angle DOC, angle DCO and angle OAB. Solution. Angle DOC and angle DOC plus angle BOC make a linear pair. So we find DOC plus BOC value is 125 is equal to 180. DOC is equal to 180 minus 125 is equal to 55 degree. DOC we find the 55. DCO in triangle DOC angle DOC plus angle CDO plus angle OCD. Yet DCO is equal to 180 triangles of triangles. Triangle के all interior angle sum is 180. DOC is equal to 55. CDO 70 और OCD या CD DCO इज इक्वल टू 180, तो एंगल DOC इज इक्वल टू 180 माइनस 55 माइनस 70 इज इक्वल टू 55। फर्स्ट पार्ट कंप्लीट। सेकंड, अब एंगल AOB, एंगल OAB इज इक्वल टू एंगल OAB इज इक्वल टू एंगल OBA, एंगल C इज इक्वल टू एंगल OK, एंगल C DCO is equal to 55. Both triangles are similar. Question number 2 is complete. Question number 3. Question number 3 is a trapezium. Diagonal of trapezium ABCD that is trapezium ABCD diagonal intersect DB and AC intersect at point O. Given is trapezium ABCD, AB parallel DC, diagonal BC AC and BD intersect at point O. To prove or question to prove is OA is equal to OC equal OB is equal to OD. Prove if both triangle AOB and DOC are similar, तो can we prove OB and OC? तो at first in triangle DOC and triangle AOB, angle CDO is equal to angle, this angle equal this or this angle equal this. CDO angle is equal to OBA alternate angle. Alternate angles Y AB parallel DC, DB is transversal as angle DCO is equal to angle OAB. These also alternate angles. तो ट्रायंगल DOC सिमिलर ट्रायंगल BOA बाई डबल A. तो साइड आर गिवन OD अपॉन OA अपॉन OC इक्वल OB अपॉन OD and proved. Thank you.